Guys, hold on, guys. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. I met this guy 7 weeks ago. No, 7 days ago. Just over a week, I met this guy. And this guy represents what a man should look like. This man represents how a man should act and behave. This man is a father. This man, oh girls, sorry, all the girls who have always wanted a good man in their life, sorry, he's gone. He's taken. He has a beautiful wife, and oh my God, the wife, damn, the wife. Who knows who I'm talking about? Who knows who I'm talking about? He has a wife. Oh my goodness. They both belong perfectly together. They look perfect together. Poppy, that's right. SF Rose gets it right. His name is Poppy Show. No, guys, Poppy Show is such a decent fellow. He represents well. Now, I met Poppy Show recently. Poppy Show is a Jamaican. Now, Poppy Show has very good content. He's a mukbanger. He's a father. He's a husband. He's a Jamaican. He's in the United States. He has a car. He has a bike. He has grass in his backyard. He has a grill in his backyard. So he also roasts ducks. He also fried chicken. He also eats crabs. He eats shrimps. He eats all these things. Check him out, guys. His name is Poppy Show.